today if there was an election, what do you think Ruto would get? So don't be worried, Jeremiah. Don't be worried even if he goes to Luo Nyanza 20 times to launch projects 30 times. Kenyans know him. Kenyans know him. I said yesterday, if you're not careful, you might get Ruto coming to Fungamano to launch Constitution 2010, which Constitution he himself opposed. He never believes in this Constitution. Therefore, the believers in this Constitution, living document, have to stand together and defend it. We will be there, God willing, all the way. All the way. And so, I want to stop there by saying, long live Kenya. Viva Kenya. The struggle continues. The struggle continues. Aluta continue. Tuko tayari? Tuko tayari? Kama tumekayari simama sema they have to go. Dio. Asante. God bless Kenya. Thank you. I will declare, I think, yeah.
When you shadow cabinet, it will be Genzote.
Thank you. When I said that we'll be making announcements, the first major announcement we are going to make from Ufungamano is we are going to form a shadow cabinet.
Genzote.
And Gen Z is a Genzote. Mutashirikishwa. We must, when I said we'll fight these people from every corner, from every ministry, every principal secretary, whatever, right? They will be held accountable. And we work with the Gen Zs and all the generations. So this is it. Therefore, I am happy to declare the kongamano hii ya maana sana officially open.